All right, number 7. The 7th way to increase the profit in your clinic gym hybrid. And this one might seem a little difficult to understand, but I will say this. Offer charity workshops. Work with local charities and nonprofits and groups that need help to use your facility for something that they really need. So let me give you some examples. We have hosted workouts where everybody pays $10 and that pool of money at the end of the workout goes to a 501c3 that we're working with. 501c3 will invite people from their guest list, people locally that support them, and say, why don't you work out with us? And it's a good way for you to even the playing field. Professionals work with blue-collar people. Women work out with men. Moms work out with people that don't have kids. It really levels the playing field and everybody's just working out. At the end of it, you take all that money and say, hey, today we raised $685 for the Candle Lighters of Southern Nevada, woohoo! And you can hand over the check. Feels pretty good. You get a lot of good exposure, and it brings some good excitement to your gym when things might be getting stale. Another way to use it is maybe not so much for a charity, but how about a sports team that needs some help? What we've done in our clinic gym hybrid is bring in a sports team that, say, needs pre-participation physicals. And we as providers can do those. So we'll do them in our facility for free. Well, not for free. We charge $20, but then we take the $20 and give it back to the team. So the team works on getting everybody in the building. They organize. We usually have the coaches help out. We work with the coaches. The coaches can be there to help organize people, keep a schedule and whatnot. And at the end, the team gets the pre-participation physicals that you need. You've met every single athlete, and they now perceive you as a very skilled rehab chiropractor. The coach loves you because not only have you donated to the team, but you provided a service and taken headaches off their shoulders. And you can usually get some decent press out of it, right? Ask them maybe, hey, would you mind posting on your team page? Or could you make an announcement and shoot a few pictures of our facility and us working with your athletes and post them up? Those things help plant little seeds in your community that grow up into business later. So that's my seventh way to create more profit in your clinic gym hybrid. If you're interested in this model, the clinic gym hybrid model, which is the best business model for chiropractors, I mean, hands down. It's exciting, it's fun, the energy is great. You get to work in a gym all day. People are very active, they respond to care quickly, they have a hoot. You get to work with amazing trainers, it's awesome. If you're interested in more of that, go to our website, clinicgymhybrid.com, and look at our live events. Join us for one of our amazing live events where you'll learn in 2 days everything you need to know to run this amazingly profitable, amazingly fun business model. And check out our online courses. We have a ton of online courses shot by the best instructors in the nation that will help you build the skills to have a better clinic gym hybrid, one that's much more profitable and much more fun and effective for your patients.